What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You see what's going on. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. Enough of that, though, guys. You guys see the title. You guys see what we have in hand. Make sure you guys stay tuned for this video. You guys could win all this stuff for $35. That's right, guys, $35. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that market value up there right now, just so you guys see. This is size 11, size 11 going for about $550 to $600. We're letting you guys take away these Thanksgiving Nike SB Dunk Turdunkens for $35. All you guys got to do, make sure you guys follow our new raffle page, We Don't Raffle. I'll be following back the first maybe like 50 to 100 people or so maybe, so make sure you guys follow so you could stay tuned on how you guys can win these exact sneakers with all of this good stuff for $35. Let's go ahead and dive into the video, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, these Turdunkens come courtesy of Concepts. I just wanted to go ahead and cover all of the stuff that you guys will be winning for $35 if you win that raffle. It's you versus 30 people. Once those 30 slots are filled up, somebody's going to win all of this stuff for $35. Make sure you don't get it twisted. Make sure you guys follow the rules. And let's get into this. So this is the initial box that it comes from. Concepts in, pretty big box. You guys see the vibes. There's nothing really crazy about it. It's kind of neat, but enough of that. The next thing that the actual collaboration comes with is this big old box right here, resembling a grill. You know, we got them dials turned up. We're cooking, it's on high. You see the vibes. I'll go ahead and, if I could pull it apart, I'll show you what it looks like. Ready? This is, again, supposed to be turkey ready, Thanksgiving ready. This could be all yours, guys, if you win this raffle for 35 bucks. Inside of here, you get this little Nerf set. Personally, I guess the vibe they were going for was this was supposed to look like a TV dinner or something like that. Turkey Vortex dinner. You guys see the vibes. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Thanksgiving related food? A lot of people like pie. A lot of people like corn. A lot of people need to have gravy with their mashed potatoes. Are you a turkey person? Do you celebrate? And let me know what you're thankful for. But again, this is, again, part of the special box. It'll all be coming with your stuff if you win. So just wanted to go ahead, give you guys an idea. These also came with the actual box and branding. I'll go ahead and make sure these are in there as well. They're socks from Concepts, looking like a turkey leg, something like that, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy, and you know what we're dealing with next, but let's dive into them and let's see your opinion. All right, guys, and last but not least, it brings us to the actual Turdunkens themselves, made up of a bunch of different features. This swoosh turning colors is pretty cool. As you guys can see, I guess it's supposed to resemble a turkey or something like that. It's definitely an ugly shoe for all intents and purposes, but we know it's the year of the dunk. We know this is going to be a very special sneaker, one with some history. So let me know in the comments, guys, what do you guys think? Do you actually like them? Did Concepts do well? They do come with two different lace colors. As you guys can see, there's a yellow as well as like a maroon or burgundy. Let's see if I can fish it out. Just like this. Personally, these laces might go best with them. Just giving a look. But personally, guys, I just want to know your opinion. Do you like them? What would you do if you won them for the 35? You could always go ahead and sell them for market. 500 bucks, 550, come up, you know, make $500 on them. You could wear them, of course, if you think you can pull them off. And or you can sit on them, you know. I think eventually these will go back to $1,000. Cool little $1,000 shoe. But that's not for me to decide. That's for one of you, whoever actually wins this raffle. Again, for 35 bucks, all you got to do, follow We Don't Raffle. Once those 30 slots are filled up, somebody's going to win. and the rest is history. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Personally, I love the sole. I love some of the color palettes on this thing. Pretty dope pair. You know, the box that they come in, nothing special. This is just the typical Nike SB box. You know, I'll take it as it is though. Again, size 11. I'll put the StockX price back up. You see what they're going for. But yeah, guys, one of you guys can very well win these for $35. Just make sure you guys are following us on the page. We don't raffle. Send us a DM with the slot number you'd like. Stay tuned. And again, let me know what you guys are thankful for. How'd you guys spend your Thanksgiving? You know, and what are you guys hoping to do with the rest of your year? Are you excited for more releases coming up? Here's some more details. The leather on the actual toe box is nice. It's just there's a lot going on with this one. Turdunken, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thank you guys for cooking. Make sure you guys press that like and subscribe button. And remember, somebody's going to win these. All of this stuff, all of this, all of that, the box, the shoes, all of that. Maybe even 2-day shipping because, you know, it's the kitchen. Let me know what you guys think. Stay safe, and thanks for cooking with us. Peace.